My name is Liam McIntyre and I'm the Transportation Analyst. I've been working remote at Imperial for about a year. Some things I enjoy about the People First initiative are the opportunities for growth. Imperial is constantly growing and growing quickly. My position was brand new to this year. I can't wait to see what positions will be created in the future as I continue to grow with Imperial. Another facet I enjoy is the ability to work with your team as well as cross-functionally. We meet with other teams all the time to trade strengths and complete a common goal.
My name is MADELYN GLOSNY, and I am currently Imperial's Employment Brand Specialist within their Customer Marketing Department. I've been with Imperial for almost a full year. It'll be a full year next month in September, so I'm very excited for that. And I just wanted to say I love working for Imperial Supplies because of the flexibility, the positive work-life balance that I don't even have to ask for, they just help me with. I love the hybrid environment as well, so I'm able to come into the office about 3 days during the week, and then I work remotely about 2 days a week. Sometimes it fluctuates depending on the week, so I just love that flexibility as well and the ability to work from almost anywhere. So I love that aspect. I also love our people first culture, and I love the focus and the evolution that we've been really taking with that. So I just appreciate that everyone is dedicated toward providing opportunities and resources for every individual at all levels within our organization.
Hi, my name is Johanna Funmore, or as everyone calls me by my nickname Joy. I am currently a material handler 3 in the shipping department at Imperial's Distribution Center 11 here in Salisbury, North Carolina. I have been with Imperial for about 3 years, and what motivates me to come to work almost every day here at the DC are the people who I work with, our teamwork and our culture of inclusion. To win as a team, we need the good people with a strong teamwork to succeed. At DC 11, we also have a really good mix of team members, and we have learned that people from diverse backgrounds can bring different skills, ideas, and strengths to our team. With good teamwork and positive strengths we each bring to the team, we can focus on getting the job done each day and taking care of our customers.
Hi there, my name is Tucker and I'm currently the receiving coordinator here at Imperial Supplies. I started back here in October of 2021, and then in March of this year I was promoted to receiving coordinator. From day one I was given plenty of opportunities to grow and expand in my craft, and I have taken every one that I could.
Hi, I'm Kara and I work in analytics. I've been at Imperial for about 6 years, and some of the reasons that I love working for Imperial is that as we continue to expand, new and additional positions are being made to create further opportunities for advancement. Another thing I like is the flexible and hybrid work schedule, the friendly and talented co-workers, that's always a plus, the volunteer opportunities, especially delivering the books to the elementary school, that was a highlight, and the almost weekly food incentives. As Michael Jordan once said, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships.
Hi, my name is Amanda Smith. I've been with Imperial for a little over 7 years now. Over the years, I've had the opportunity and ability to apply for, earn, and work in multiple jobs at Imperial. Each new position has allowed me to take a step forward, grow my knowledge, performance, and pay. It's a great feeling to work as a team and take care of our customers. I look forward to my next opportunity to grow with Imperial.
My name is Joe Hook-Ryan. I am a senior web developer and have been with Imperial for 6 years. I appreciate the flexibility of working remote full-time. The best part of working at Imperial is the team of people I get to work with every day. I have never experienced this quality of teamwork in any other company and feel privileged to be part of it. Putting people first improves relationships, enhances our culture, and fosters a friendly work environment. Successful teams like ours happen when we put people first.